Hey, I'm Alec, pumpkin professional, and today we're gonna teach you how to prepare your pumpkin. All right, this one's from Albertsons, this one's from Town & Country. They were the same price per pound, but as you can see, the Albertsons one is bigger in mass than the Town & Country. You really gotta pick out a pumpkin that has a flat surface so you can do your carving. Both of these we found a pretty decent one, so you're gonna want to pick your side. I picked this side personally because it looks the cleanest. It's pretty flat. This side is also flat, but it's dirty. You don't want that. So first, pick your side. Yeah, then you're ready to go. After you picked your side, you want to grab a knife. Make sure to be careful. You're gonna want to find your stem. You're gonna make a hexagon around the stem. I'll show you. You're gonna want to go into the pumpkin at about a 45-degree angle. After you've made your cuts around the stem, you're gonna want to pull it out. Take a look-see in there. Yeah. Now it's time to gut. When you're gutting, you want to go get yourself a spoon, and you're gonna want to scrape the inside layer of the pumpkin. Want to dig your hand in that nasty mess. All right, we'll see you guys when we're done. Okay, now that we've got it gutted, you're gonna want to grab a Sharpie and make your design right on the front. Once you've got your lines drawn, see our beautiful face right there, you grab your knife and start cutting. You want to make sure that you take your time. It's not a race, and you want to make sure it goes all the way in. All right, we'll see you guys when we're done. This cutout, all you need is a candle, and it's ready for display. I'm Alec, pumpkin professional. Thanks for watching. Until next time.